No messing about. We're going to set up an Amazon FBA business in 4 minutes. Welcome back again to the channel. We are setting up your Amazon FBA business today. This is for a limited company. This is not for your sole trader stuff. This is going legit, setting up a company, which is, in our opinion, the best way to do Amazon FBA. Now, before we get into the 4-minute challenge, we want to be honest and transparent. That is why we're different from all the rest of the content creators. Anybody that is talking about Amazon FBA is because we do not fill your head full of nonsense, and we try to expose people that do. We will get paid for you clicking this link. It is an affiliate link. It is commission. That is why we're pushing it. Now, we have tried and tested and we use Osome ourselves. So from a point of view of credibility, we do stand by that they can set your limited company up. But also you must know that you can do this through the HMRC website yourself. Very easily. Most of the questions you'll be asked, you will just be asked by HMRC. So you, technically speaking, don't need to use Osome. But I'm going to tell you honestly the benefits from using Osome. You will have support from us. We have a direct line with their team and we will be able to get any questions asked that you may have. Unlike all the other content creators who are not being transparent with you, better yet, they're taking all the commission and giving you nothing back. We're not about that. We want to share the love. We will give you access to our deal sheets for 2 weeks. That's worth potentially up to hundreds to thousands of pounds. So if you do click the link, you'll be getting a lot of extra support, a lot of extra help. This video will obviously assist you massively, and you'll get free access to DealHunters sheet. We can't see any further than that. You'll not get a better deal than that. So let's go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to our link down below and click on it. You can also go to our website. This link then will bring you straight here. Register your business bank account in just 6 minutes. We're going to do it in 4. Set up my business. Click this link. It'll start telling you about things about your business. Answer a few questions about your business and we'll suggest the best services that will get you started. Just hit let's get started. How much experience do you have in running your business? Only you can answer this, but we'll say I have some experience. What type of business are you planning to start? E-commerce or retail? When do you want to open your company? As soon as friggin' possible. UK resident? Yes. Would you like Osome to manually review your application? No. Do you need a private registered address for your business? You can use your own address or decide later. It's up to yourself. For this, we'll say we decide later. There is it. Basic incorporation for £12 with the VAT. You can do this. If you want all these extra features, you could. We don't recommend it. Put your name in here, your email in here, your number, and hit continue to payment. That'll take you to a payment page. Fill it out like any other process that you normally do. Ideally, you'll have your business bank account already set up. If you haven't done that, go to our link with Tide and get £50 off. You can get your free bank account set up. You can go and check elsewhere, but we're telling you that is the best valued business bank account out there. Once that's done, you're going to get the usual login details, a 4-digit code. Get that code sent to your mobile phone and log in. Next thing it's going to ask you is your company name. This, in my opinion, should be not in any way related to your Amazon business. Don't link them in any way. Your business name, you don't want anyone to ever see or find. It will check if your name is available. If it is available, happy days. You can choose to have a limited LTD. You can choose to have the word limited itself, entirely up to yourself. The next thing is the SIC. This is pretty much telling HMRC what your company is doing. You're going to choose retail sale via mail order, houses, or via the internet. Have you got a virtual address or using your business address to be your home address? Input that here. The next thing is a drop-down list. What's your position in the company? You can go with director and shareholder. You can just go with director and you can choose the option of other. Other could be CEO. Really, it doesn't matter. Most people are probably going to do director and shareholder. It also depends if you want more than one person to be a part of your company, which is the next list. That's where you can add more people. Again, they can go on as a director as well, or they could be just a shareholder. It really just comes down to being tax efficient at this stage. If you're only starting off and you're at a small enough beginner stage, it doesn't really matter because you can always alter this and grow this as your company grows. The next question is about invested capital. The website actually suggests that you put £100 of your capital money into the business. You actually don't need to do this. You can get away with £1, and then that £1 will be split between you and different partners. For example, if you and your partner are 50-50, it'll be 50p to them, 50p to you. This doesn't really matter at all. It will be on the documentation. It will be for the public to see, but it doesn't make a difference. It's just a way of being able to establish a monetary value and splitting the company in whatever proportion that you feel fit. As this is likely to be a startup business, you're going to probably be injecting thousands of pounds into the business anyway, so you may as well just comply with what they're saying and do £100. The next thing is an overview of all the information you put in. Double check, make sure everything is fine, because this will be on public record. Get to the bottom, hit confirm and continue. Once you then confirm all of that, the next thing will be just verification, just proving that you are a legitimate person, because obviously HMRC isn't just going to set up a company for anyone. They want to make sure that you are who you are. Once you do that, it will be a very quick process, depending if it's the weekend or not, but generally speaking, it'll all be set up within 24 hours. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please like and subscribe, help us grow the channel. And by clicking that link, you've really supported the channel, which we really appreciate. Make sure to reach out to our support team. We will get you set up with your DealHunters sheet and you can start capitalizing on profitable deals today. And this video is actually going to be part of our wholesale course. So if you're watching it from the wholesale point of view, any support questions, anything at all you want to ask, don't forget you're part of the 24/7 support team. Make sure to click the link down below. And if you're interested in signing up to the wholesale course, all our links, all our information is on our website, dealhuntersfba.com, and I will see you in the next video.